Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making 4 crispy aloo samosas from just one roll roti with a flavorful potato and peanut filling and a simple homemade wrapper. This is an easy way to make samosas without preparing each one separately. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon salt. Pour in 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well until the oil is evenly combined. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Samosas are enjoyed in many countries with different shapes and filling. Knead until you get a smooth and firm dough. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest. Now heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion. Add 1 chopped green chili. Cook for a minute until the onions soften. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin. Now add 1 tablespoon peanut. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Stir everything together so the spices become fragrant. Finally add some fresh coriander leaves. Peanuts add a pleasant crunch and a nutty flavor to the potato filling. Give it one last mix and turn off the heat. Now take the rested dough, roll it into one large thin roti. Fold and cut it as shown to create 4 sections. Take one section and place some of the potato filling inside. Apply little water along the edges. Fold and seal the samosas carefully. Making 4 samosas from one large roti saves time during preparation. Heat enough oil over medium heat. Carefully place the samosas into the hot oil. Fry over medium heat for a crisp wrapper without burning the outside. Fry until they become golden brown, crispy and beautifully crunchy. Your 4 aloo samosas from one roti are ready. Crispy outside, flavorful inside and surprisingly simple to prepare. These samosas are perfect for tea time or unexpected guests. Make them fresh, serve them hot and enjoy every crunchy bite. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes and homemade treats.